What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, we have actually come back down and sweep some of these lows that we did make back here. You can see we've actually seen that A, B, C correction for Verasity that we have seen for a lot of cryptos in the market, obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain, Polygon, and a lot of other larger cap cryptocurrencies have been seeing this. And it looks as though Verasity is actually following suit. You can see here that we've actually basically rolled over, made our ABC correction, as we just showed you like this. We've come down and we've swept some of these lows. We found a decent bounce here at around this swing low at around 2.5 cents, haven't we? We've come down, obviously lost support here. So we've come down to our next level of support. We've come down to around that 2.5 cent level. And actually had a decent bounce, currently trading at around 3 cents again. Having a very, very nice bounce today, to be fair. And if we just take a look at our fib retracements, you will see exactly what we predicted here. Where you can see, I mean, these fib levels are just crazily respected, by the way, aren't they? All the way down here. So you drag it from high to low, and then you get an idea of what you're looking at. Obviously got our 0.23 extension here. Resistance flipped into support. We run all the way up, we smash the 0.38, we come up to the 0.50. Retest this support level here at 0.38, break through the resistance here and back test it. We smashed the 618, but we actually never really retest it, and that's going to come back in a minute. You can see we come up to the 0.78 here, we'll come back down, we almost retest the 618 but not quite. We consolidate bullishly. This is 4 cents, by the way. We come up to our next psychological target of 5 cents. You can see exactly what's been going on. And then obviously we have the El Salvador dump, which brings us back into our little range, looking something like this, where we consolidate, chopping it up in and around the 20 moving average. And then obviously we do have our C wave, where we've got your A, B, C. We come down looking for support, and we find it pretty much perfectly on our 618 hit again, where we sweep the lows. We're looking, we're basically shaking out the weak hands here, aren't we? We come down to around that 618 level, where we get the bounce. And we're currently reclaiming that 55 moving average, basically, aren't we? We've done something like this. And if we look at our hourly time frame, you can see they are actually getting some bullish divergences all over the place, pretty much for every single crypto. Momentum to the downside weakening on the histogram. RSI, the strength to the downside decreasing, but our price action still coming down. And you can see here we have actually had, over the past, 12 hours or so, we've had a pretty decent move to the upside, haven't we? Where we've scooped the price action up with the bullish divergence. You can see here we're starting to come back to the upside, basically looking pretty bullish in our opinion. We've just come back down and we've tested this area this area of lows here, and we've actually just found it to be a very good area of support, haven't we? And we've, you could potentially say that we've double bottomed here. And if we do get a really nice continuation, then this would be the perfect time to do it, because you can see we've come down, we've tested support, we found it looking very bullish. And this chart, I mean, look at this chart. This is an incredible chart. This looks like a very, very bullish chart in our opinion. We've swept the lows all the way down at around, what is this, 3/4 cent. We come all the way back up to 5 cents. We come back down to a previous level of support at around 2.5 cents. Currently at around 3 cents, potentially forming, a lot of people saying potentially this cup and handle like this. And if we do start to come back up towards that 5 cent level, we're going to be looking at potentially an explosion for Verasity, if that's the case. So short-term price predictions then, now that we've ascertained what's going on. If we do roll over again, we obviously could come back down to around this area at the 618 to see that one last sweep of the lows. Coming in at around, 2.6 cents like this before we get the pickup. We do think this is very strong support. And then obviously to the upside, we obviously want to reclaim this 0.78 level, get back into this area of structure at around 3.5, basically in and around this area here, where there's a large amount of consolidation. That 3.5 to 4 cent area, we want to see ourselves targeting that. And then obviously coming back to the upside like this, you obviously want to see ourselves coming back up to the overall little area here of 5 cents resistance as well, psychological target. If we do start to pick ourselves up and go towards the all-time high here, then we're going to be breaking out. And then we've got those longer term price predictions in play. We've got the 127 at 10 cents, the 141 at 13 cents, we've got the 161 at around 20 cents, and then that big 227 overextension at around 70, 75 cents. And we do think 50 cents to $1 very realistic for Verasity. As we always say, the market cap is extremely low for what this project is offering. It's a very, very good project. And that if they bring out any fundamental news combined with the market starting to get back underway and pump to the upside, then we could be looking at a very, very nice pump for Verasity indeed once it starts to break out. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.